Hello everyone, this is question 2b to write a test bench for this finite state machine. Okay, to get started we firstly have to declare signals to drive the ACCU top module. To start with that, always when you write a test bench you want the inputs to your DUT, which stands for device under test, to be registers and all the output stimuli should be wires. And you want to initialize the registers to their initial state, say usually 0, and you want the wires. You just spawn them, but you don't initialize them to anything. So we can start. The first thing we want to initialize is the clock, and we say that's 0. Then we add the reset. We say you're 0, and we also input the next. We say also register in is 0, and now we have the wires out, and then we have also another wire which stands for the state display, and that is 3 bits wide, as you can see there. So that would mean state display. Okay, now this here is how we instantiate the module, which already gets connected to this things. Now we want to declare the clock. I will choose my clock to be #10, always #10, clock is not clock. What this does is always every 10 nanoseconds it inverts the clock, thus generating a square signal. So if it was 1, then it makes it 0. If it was 0, it makes it 1, etc. and keeps on repeating that forever. The 10 is half the period of the clock signal. Okay, so we should keep this in mind, that this whatever value we put here, it is the half period of the clock signal. Now we want to initialize, or we could have also initialized the signals there at this part, but however I chose to do it here. Both should work, it should not be a problem. If we start with reset, I want to set firstly my reset to 1 and wait at least 2 clock cycles and then pull it back down to 0. And now we start with stimuli 1. And here we are given how we should how we should go through this whole finite state machine. At stimuli 1, and now I'm gonna say I'll wait, just for the sake of it, wait 20 more, and now I say okay, my next should be 1, my in should be 1, because I can see that I've given it here how I should loop through, and then I'll wait for at least 2 clock cycles, and then I pull my next to 0, and I pull my in to 0. Okay, and now I will just copy paste this code and now continue to stimulate this one. Now I have in, now it goes through in 0, and now again copy paste through here, 0, it's again another 0. Now it's a 1, 0, a 1. Yeah, so now we are here. Now 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So now we have to put another 1, and now here's 0. And furthermore, there is 1, so yeah, 5 ones. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and if we save and run this, we can see that we get full marks. So the test bench is a quite simple exercise. Everything is given to you. The order that you should loop through is given to you, and basically what you have to do is simulate this order and make sure to never initialize wires, and you can do the registers, and you should initialize the registers indeed. Start with a reset and then continue throughout the stimuli. Thanks for watching.